Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If radius of two spheres are in ratio 3:4, find the ratio of their volumes. We know volume of a sphere is given as 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units, where r is radius of the sphere. Let radius of first sphere be equal to 3x according to given ratio 3x units, and radius of second sphere be equal to 4x units according to given ratio. Therefore, volume of first sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi 3x cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi 27x cube, which is equal to 27 times 4 by 3 pi x cube cubic units. Therefore, volume of second sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi 4x cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi 64x cube, which is equal to 64 into 4 by 3 pi x cube cubic units. Therefore, ratio of volumes will be equal to 27 times 4 by 3 pi x cube divided by 64 times 4 by 3 pi x cube. These two will get cancelled out, and cubic units also will get cancelled out, and we are left with 27 by 64, which in the form of ratio will be 27:64. Therefore, required ratio is 27:64, which is answer option D.